Hello. In this quick tutorial I will show you how you can play this awesome game on your mobile phone. As you can see, I already get the game and I will show you how you can do it too. Let's get started. Now jump to mobile screen records for better video quality. Open your favorite web browser and go to this website. As you can see, you will find many great mobile games on this website. Find your game and go to the next step. The installation process is very simple. Just click the Start Installation button. The last step is simple device verification process. The verification process is simple. Complete 2 tasks from the list and remember to follow instructions below them. After that you will get fully working app. Let's speed up video for this process. After successful verification, your game is ready to play. Have fun.